Hi, this is Chris Horton at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax. Today I'm on the 2019 2140 NauticStar powered by the 150 Yamaha. As you see, it's got two jump seats, a large fish box in the back, as well as the leaning post and a cooler underneath. This one also has stainless steel rocker switches with a Simrad Go 7 combination chart plotter, GPS, and fish finder. Lots of rod storage. Underneath the front console seat, you've got a full live well. You've got locking rod storage on the port and starboard side. A good sized fish box up front, and if you want to mount a trolling motor, it's already wired for it. If you've got any questions, please give us a call at 850-760-0300.